Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and today I have yet another unboxing for you, so stay tuned. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and unbox my latest Boxy Luxe shipment. Let's see what this big beauty has to offer. Oh, blooper reel. Whole thing is covered in the foamy protective layer, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and it looks like, ooh, there's some good stuff in here because it's all bubble wrap. Okay. What are you? It is Tarte Park Avenue Princess. The packaging is nice. It's really reflective. I do like the texture here, and it is textured when you touch it. Oh my god. Well, no, I still care how it performs, but I almost don't care how it performs just because of the packaging. Like, I want to have this on display at all times. This is gorgeous. Look at this. It's an actual textured, completely reflective surface. Park Avenue Princess. I love it. I feel like it's actually like a gold plate, like when you get an award, just there it is. Very good job on the packaging. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, chiseled like a diamond. Chiseled like a diamond. We have halo here. We have enhance, carrot, princess cut, angle, and crown. And with this being a powder, I'm gonna say it's probably a contour last step. What is this? Okay, let's do this other bubble wrap item. What is this? You are drawing my attention because you are wrapped all by yourself. Plus, I love bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Mistaken, Target started carrying Violet Voss. Might be able to pick this up in stores, or rather more common stores that you'll find in a lot of different areas versus like a Sephora or Morphe or an Ulta where maybe your town may not have it. I'm pretty sure most areas would have a Target, at least within their vicinity. Here, I feel like this mirror is magnified, which is nice, actually. Excuse me while I check myself out. That green and gold. And then we do have a nice pink and black there. So we have, again, the neutrals on the side. I am liking, of course, the yellow and green because that's where my go-tos. Is that the title of this palette holds up. But let's go ahead and see how it looks on a few little quick swatches. Ooh. That cream color is really popping. And these are they're not as bright as I thought they were going to be. A few more big items, it seems. Okay, what is this? This is Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream from Sunday Riley. 1.7 ounces. It's sort of a mint color, like a bluish green. Oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. Twice a day, morning and night. Well, you know what? I am covered in makeup, so Tidal is legit. I feel like it smells like the ocean, like that weird kind of seaweed, sea breeze. You can already see here where I've applied it and my skin is glowing. This might be my body one. Let's do this big thing. Okay, it is Sutra Beauty, a clipless curling iron with cool tip. What hair exactly do I have to curl? I mean, maybe I could do like one little beach wave. And that would be about it. And by the way, yes, I do love my devil horn headband because it's that time of year. It's that time of year. It's gonna be that time of year, and I'm just really excited because in this house, it can always be that time of year. Or perhaps maybe a microfiber bag. It's kind of itchy, I'm not gonna lie. But opening it up, oh my. Okay, so high temp caution. It does have just a simple on-off switch right here. A nice little indentation for you to grip onto. It looks like a decent sized cord, not too terribly long. A clipless curling iron. I've had short hair for so, yeah, I cannot get that all the way around. My hair is not quite long enough to wrap it. Well, maybe, barely. I can do one curl. Now this part, it does twist, as you guys can see, so the whole, cool. Maybe I'll gift it for Christmas, who knows. What is this? This looks like something with honey. Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. UV protection, petroleum, mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free, with coconut oil. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. Use it once or twice, not really sure. Again, it's also because I have the shorter hair. Maybe if I, started coloring my hair again, it would be something I use after color to just sort of protect my hair, like if I wanted to lighten it and bleach it, which I haven't done in a while, and I don't know how often personally I would use it. So honestly, I'm sure it's a great product. It's nothing against this IGK brand. Just as a BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe box, I'm a little disappointed because I don't know how much use I'm gonna get from this, as well as the curling iron when I have the short hair. Mystery boxes, you just never know what you're gonna get. Life is like a box of chocolates. Life is like a subscription box. You just never know what you're gonna get. So this one is a Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Color Rubino. Looks like a brick red. Tube of the liquid lip, and it is a brick red color. So you know what? Comparing the tube versus the color swatch there, those are the same. So I do like that the swatch here on the packaging is what you're gonna get on the inside. Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Ooh, it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So maybe after I do like a chemical peel, or maybe do like a full skin day and my skin's just not having it, this would be the way to go. Finally, not least, all done, is this Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner, but blickety black, blickety black, wicked wicked. Y'all can hear that, right? So it definitely needs to be shaken. That's black. What? Okay, so to me, that looks brown, not black. But it says right there, blickety black, that is brown. The cap is bronze, but that is brown. Find out. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little squiggly line right here on my hand. Ready? So I actually wrote on there, Hank Henry, and then just squiggly line. So as you can see, well, if it shows up on camera, you can get an incredibly fine line right there. And it is more of a, it's actually a brush tip, which I like. And the color, even though when I first put it on, because of the lighting in here, I thought it was brown, but the liner is black. Applicator, it's very nice. I think I'm just incredibly confused why it's a black color and a brown container. And if I just saw this or even a sample of that in the store, I would immediately think that's brown. It's packaging. We gotta talk. For this quarter's Boxy Luxe Boxy Charm box, if you guys are curious about BoxyCharm, I will have my personal referral link below. If you do sign up under me, I believe we both get a little incentive at this time. If you liked the unboxing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Go ahead, like, share, comment, whatever you want to talk makeup. Let's go ahead and talk makeup all day long. Okay guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.